get a fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You get a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here, but we can never convenience. Manage to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. Yeah, with the bottle, that's the way it is. He says his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? You gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. Driving so fast I felt like I was way out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped. I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights stay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. Fast car. Is it fast enough so you can fly away? You gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. Couldn't wait. Reaching the skies, hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we
never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man.